Hey guys, today is May 24th. We're on the 24th day of FQS Stitch Mania. I'm going on to a different chart that is totally different than the ones I've done before. It's Pumpkin Spice Farm by Hands On Designs. It's an older design and it is just awesome. And I do think when I finish, I am going to put it into a little pillow. Since I have so much pumpkin other stuff going on, a pillow would be a great accent. Today I'm working on Wichell Cafe Mocha Country, which I've never stitched on before, and super excited because it's kind of like an in-between color. And I'm using 14 count Aida. It should finish about 4.5 by 7, and the DMC colors I'm using are 3853, 3865, 937, 161, 167, and 451. So my goal today is to start in the center and see if I can get this little center done. And if I can, that's going to be totally awesome. So let's get stitching. Hey guys, so I got this much done. I got my goal accomplished. Super, 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 super excited. I'm loving the colors. They're a little bit darker. I'm using the called for colors, and they're a little bit darker than what I usually use, and I really love it. The fact that there's a lot of space in the design really helps it whip up stitch. I did 2 hours and 10 minutes today. So I'm super excited about this. I think this one will be able to finish pretty quick. And I have learned during this mania that I must have a pumpkin obsession because I just have like pumpkin, 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 pumpkin. I'm like, I have stitched so many pumpkins in this mania. So thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you tomorrow.